I'm gonna leave some. Oh! Anyone can make overnight. Hola amiguitos, hola, I'm Ulysses Cruz and this is Plant-Based Masterpiece. Right now I show you how to make overnight oats. Anyone can make overnight oats. It's not a big deal. So all that I'm gonna use right now is oats, blueberries, coconut cheddar, chia seed, 1 shot of coffee, a pinch of sea salt. Also about the portions, I'm gonna leave you the recipe below, but I'm gonna tell you so quickly. Half cup of oats, half cup of blueberries, 1 tablespoon of coconut cheddar, 1 shot of coffee, a tablespoon of, no, it's a teaspoon, also you can use 1 table, why not, of chia seeds and pinch of salt, nothing else. Oh no, I'm missing my water. Yes, but you can use plant-based meal. Yes, plant-based meal or nuts, butters, seeds, powders, other kind of fruits, frozen, fresh, dehydrated, dried, anything. You can use anything for made overnight oats. Also, what about to the oats? You can use other kind of oats. So please don't skip the video and thank you for playing it. Thank you for playing it. So it's time to make it. Let's do it. It's gonna be easy. So for make the overnight oats is very easy. We can mix all together right here and leave it in the fridge, or also we can blend a little bit, or blueberries. All is up to you, whatever is easy for you. If you want to make it in a minute, or also if you are a lazy person. I didn't try to offend you, but I mean, if you are running over your time, or you're running on time, I mean, if you're really running on your time, just mix all together and leave it in your fridge, and the next morning you can pick it up and you can eat it. Very easy, just mix well, but please don't over mix it because you're gonna mush it. I know that you know that. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna use my food processor. Also, how is frozen my blueberries? That's why I need you. If you don't have blueberries, you can use other kind of fruit I said before. So, food processor. I'm gonna leave some. Oh! Don't go away. Oh yes, finally. This is what I was talking. It was more easy to mix all together. This time blend with blueberries. Ulysses, you're the best. Let's see how it's going. Everything. It's too watery, right? Actually, on my overnight or on my oats, I'm gonna add the flavor of the blueberry. You didn't know that. Ha 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 ha. Quack 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 quack. Just mix all together. Yes, it's right now time to mix all together. Wow, coffee. Who doesn't love that coffee? It's optional, the sea salt. If you don't like the sea salt, you couldn't add. Actually, you can add it extra sweetener. Extra sweetener. I'm talking about vanilla. I'm talking about maple syrup, agave, dates. Your fruit is sweet. Da-da-dee, da-da-da. Look at this raining. Da-da-dee, da-da-da, da-da-dee, da-da-da. Just mix well. Mix all together. Mix well. Just stir it well, but don't over mix because you're gonna mush it. Tomorrow just I wanna pick up my glass, eating while I'm driving. Please don't do that. Don't do that. So tomorrow I'm gonna eat at home, you know. Please adjust your taste, adjust your flavor. If you like more sweetener, please add it more sweet stuff. I mean more sweeteners. If you like something different, you wanna add some butters, add it. Feel free. Just I have some overnight oats right here. Are gonna be expanded. I'm gonna be a little bigger for tomorrow, but for tomorrow I'm gonna be ready. So did you see? It's very easy. Anyone can make overnight. So make your own. Play with your creativity, and also feel free edit any kind of ingredient, any kind of fruit, any kind of sweetener. Also, why don't added a pinch of nutmeg? Should be ready for tomorrow. Pretty easy. Anyone can make overnight oats. So peace and love to the overnight oats with blueberry and shot of coffee. Da da da.